Can you fathom the sheer volume of water a tree drinks every day, or the possibility of planets floating on water? Have you ever wondered why guinea pigs exhibit a behavior known as popcorning? These might seem like strange questions, but curiosity is a fascinating trait that leads to the most intriguing discoveries. Did you know that cats instinctively know how to use a litter box? This is a behavior passed down from their ancestors who used this method to conceal their scent from dominant cats and predators. Quite the survival tactic, isn't it? And here's an amusing fact: the term mussel finds its roots in the Latin word for little mouse. Ancient Romans believed that some muscles, such as a flexed bicep, resembled the shape of a mouse. You might not be aware, but every single one of us emits a minuscule amount of light. Yes, you are indeed glowing, although it's not visible to the naked eye. Did you ever notice how newborn babies only make crying sounds but don't shed tears? That's because their tear ducts don't fully function until they're several weeks old. Speaking of eyes, did you know that owls don't actually have eyeballs? Their eyes are more tubular in shape and are held firmly in place by special bones. However, they have the extraordinary ability to rotate their necks 270 degrees in both directions and 90 degrees up and down without moving their shoulders. Nerves play an essential role in our bodies. They transmit information from the brain to different organs at breathtaking speeds of up to 260 miles per hour. The human heart is a marvel of endurance, beating on average more than 3 billion times during its lifespan. Your nose, too, is a marvel of sensory perception. With at least 400 different scent receptors, most people can detect around 1 trillion different smells. Did you know that an apple is almost 20% air? That's why it floats on water. Pineapples take their sweet time to grow. If you plant the top of a pineapple, it will take about 2 to 2.5 years to start blooming. American buffalo herds have a unique decision-making process that can be compared to voting. The rock hyrax, a 10-pound creature native to parts of Africa and the Middle East, is one of the closest relatives of the 10,000-pound elephant. Your brain has a peculiar tendency to alter memories over time, leading to the creation of false memories. In a surprising twist of history, the University of Oxford is older than the Aztec Empire by a whopping 332 years. Your blood makes up 7 to 8% of your total body mass. People tend to be more honest when they're tired, which is why most confessions are made during late-night conversations. At a specific temperature and pressure, a frozen liquid can start to boil, and a boiling liquid will freeze. This phenomenon is known as a triple point. Your body sheds between 30,000 to 40,000 skin cells every hour. A large oak tree can drink up to 100 gallons of water per day. Horses use facial expressions that are quite similar to human expressions to communicate their feelings. Isn't it fascinating how much there is to learn about the world around us? From the instinctual behaviors of cats and the unique anatomy of owls, to the surprising growth rate of pineapples and the democratic decision-making of buffalo herds. The fact that our bodies are constantly emitting light and shedding skin cells is a testament to the wonder that is the human body. Even the seemingly mundane apple has its own secrets to tell. So keep questioning, keep exploring, because curiosity leads to the most amazing discoveries.